Welcome to RL Car Reviews, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews and detailed explorations of the most remarkable vehicles in the world, from cars to trucks to bikes and even to ships and boats that redefine luxury and engineering excellence. Today we are stepping into the world of marine luxury to take a deep look at the 2026 Eclipse boat, a vessel that has been designed to push the boundaries of opulence, innovation, and performance on the water. This boat is not just a mode of transportation across seas, it is a floating palace, a modern marvel that combines design brilliance with technological superiority, offering an experience that is beyond imagination for those fortunate enough to step aboard. The Eclipse boat has always been regarded as one of the largest and most luxurious private yachts in the world, and with the 2026 edition it has been upgraded to an even higher level of perfection. Its sheer size is breathtaking, stretching over 500 feet in length, with multiple decks that house everything from guest suites to entertainment zones and wellness centers. The scale alone makes it a dominant presence in any marina, and it continues to hold its reputation as a symbol of wealth and refined living. The sleek silhouette glides gracefully across the water, designed with both hydrodynamics and aesthetics in mind, proving that beauty and performance can truly coexist. When we talk about luxury, the interior of the Eclipse boat defines the word. The designers have used the finest materials available, from polished marbles to rare woods, from custom-designed furniture to handcrafted detailing. Each suite is designed like a five-star hotel room, complete with panoramic windows that provide breathtaking ocean views. The master suite is more akin to a private penthouse, offering unmatched space and privacy, complete with its own private deck, jacuzzi, and lounge areas. The guest accommodations are no less impressive, designed to offer comfort and exclusivity to every traveler. Beyond the living spaces, the Eclipse boat is also a hub of entertainment and relaxation. It features multiple swimming pools, including one with a retractable glass cover that can transform into a dance floor or entertainment space. The spa and wellness area offer full treatments, saunas, steam rooms, and even a dedicated yoga studio. The onboard cinema delivers a theater-like experience, allowing guests to enjoy the latest films in complete luxury. For those who prefer outdoor enjoyment, the sun decks are sprawling with lounge chairs, shaded cabanas, and even outdoor bars for social gatherings. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Eclipse boat is its security and technology. Known as one of the safest yachts ever built, it includes advanced defense systems that set it apart from most vessels in its category. Bulletproof glass, missile detection systems, and even an anti-paparazzi shield using laser technology have been integrated, ensuring that guests remain safe and private no matter where they travel. This makes the 2026 Eclipse not just a luxury experience but also a fortress on the sea, perfectly balancing enjoyment with absolute peace of mind. Performance is another key area where the Eclipse continues to shine. Powered by high-performance diesel-electric engines, it achieves a seamless blend of power and efficiency. The top speed is impressive for a vessel of this size, reaching around 25 knots, while cruising speed ensures long-distance travel without compromise. Advanced stabilization systems make sure the ride remains smooth even in rougher waters, ensuring maximum comfort for everyone on board. With a range that allows transoceanic voyages, the Eclipse can travel almost anywhere in the world without refueling frequently, making it an ultimate tool for global exploration. The Eclipse also comes equipped with a wide range of water toys and auxiliary vessels. There are several tenders for quick trips to shore, jet skis for thrill seekers, mini submarines for underwater exploration, and diving equipment for those who want to experience marine